Are watching me live on my LinkedIn and YouTube account named as Mariam Zulfikar Training Valley. I'm your host, Mariam Zulfikar Training Valley, working as Vice Principal at Rehan School Online Academy and Facilitator at Rehan School AI Teachers Institute, Teacher Training Bootcamp for 2 months, and Rehan School Golden Glove for senior citizens who are having more than 65 years. Once again, I'm back with a very beautiful topic, and maybe you guys will like it. That we already learn lots of new things, and we know that when we were in the conventional school or the educational system, there was a term that used as project-based learning, and now we are shifting and more digitalized now, and there are lots of new things that are being introduced on day to day in this digital world, and that is AI learning. More about the difference between project based learning and learning with AI. So for this, we'll ask to Perplexity different questions. So let's see what kind of the information and knowledge with Perplexity will share with us. So for this, we'll connect the callers with Perplexity.
Yes, I can hear you clearly. How can I assist you today?
Okay, Perplexity, I just want to explore a topic with you. And the topic title is project based learning versus. And my first question is, what is the core definition of project based learning?
Project based learning is an educational approach where students learn by actively engaging in real world and meaningful projects. It involves students working over an extended period of time to investigate and respond to complex questions, problems, or challenges. This method helps students develop deeper knowledge through hands on learning experiences.
Okay, and how does it differ from traditional instructions?
Differs from addition in several ways. Learning is often passive through lectures and textbooks. Based learning, on the other hand, is active and centered experience and problem solving, collaboration, critical, and real world making learning relevant. Project learning is different from traditional instruction in that it focuses on students actively exploring real-world problems through projects, while traditional instruction often relies on passive learning through lectures and rote memorization. Project-based learning emphasizes collaboration, critical thinking, and a knowledge, whereas traditional methods and individual work.
AI integrated learning in the context of this 21st century classrooms?
Or technologies and learning experiences, intelligent systems, and data-driven insights to support educators. Can tailor educational content to individual student needs, making learning more efficient and effective.
Yes, Perplexity, please continue your answer.
I'm here to help. Please go ahead with your
Um, I was asking to you, how would you define AI integrated
for the interruption.
learning in the context of 21st century's classroom?
AI integrated learning, 21st century classrooms, involves incorporating artificial intelligence to enhance the learning experience. This can include personalized learning paths, intelligent tutoring systems, and data analysis to inform teaching strategies. AI tools can adapt content to student needs, provide real-time feedback, and support teachers in creating more engaging and effective learning environments.
Okay. And what are the philosophical foundations of project based learning and AI integrated learning?
The philosophical foundations of project-based learning (PBL) are rooted in constructivism, where learners construct knowledge through experiences and reflection, and experiential learning, emphasizing learning by doing. It promotes critical thinking, collaboration, and problem solving. For AI integrated learning, the foundation lies in the integration of technology to augment human learning, influenced by theories of adaptive learning and data-driven decision-making. It focuses on personalizing education and enhancing learning outcomes with technology.
Okay. And in this 21st century this classroom, which would be the more preferable and why?
In the 21st century classroom, both project-based learning and AI integrated learning are valuable. PBL is preferred for its emphasis on critical thinking, collaboration, and real-world problem-solving skills. AI integrated learning is also important for personalizing education and leveraging technology to enhance learning outcomes. A combination of both approaches can provide a well-rounded, engaging, and effective educational experience.
Okay. And how does the teacher's role differ in project based learning compared to AI integrated learning?
In project-based learning, teachers act as facilitators, guiding students through the project, supporting inquiry, and encouraging collaboration. They provide resources and feedback, helping students connect their learning to real-world applications. In AI integrated learning, teachers may take on the role of facilitators as well, but with a focus on integrating AI tools to personalize learning, analyze data, and provide targeted support where needed. They guide students in leveraging AI resources to enhance their learning and develop digital literacy skills.
What are the different types of the assessments used in project based learning and in AI integrated learning environments?
Yes, there are different types of assessment used. In project-based learning, assessments often include project presentations, portfolios, peer evaluations, and self-reflection, focusing on the process and final product. In AI integrated learning, assessments may include data-driven insights, real-time feedback, and adaptive testing, utilizing AI to personalize assessment and provide targeted support for individual learning needs.
Okay. And how do the learning objectives differ when designing a project-based learning unit versus AI integrated curriculum? So, what are the difference between the curriculums?
In a project-based learning unit, learning objectives often focus on critical thinking. Sure, I'll continue. In a project-based learning unit, learning objectives focus on developing critical thinking, problem-solving, collaboration, and real-world application. These objectives are often broader and interdisciplinary. In an AI-integrated curriculum, learning objectives may include digital literacy, understanding AI concepts, and using AI tools effectively to enhance learning. These objectives focus more on integrating technology and developing skills for the digital age.
Okay. And in what ways does project based promote collaboration and critical thinking that AI integrated learning maybe not?
Project-based learning inherently promotes collaboration and critical thinking as students work together on projects, requiring them to solve complex problems, make decisions, and think critically to achieve their goals. While AI integrated learning can also foster critical thinking and collaboration, it may not emphasize these aspects as directly as PBL. The focus of AI integration is often on personalization and efficiency, which might not require as much collaborative problem solving.
Okay, what are the technological requirements for implementing AI integrated learning and how do they compare with those of project based learning?
Implementing AI integrated learning requires advanced technological infrastructure, such as AI-driven software, data analytics tools, and reliable internet access. It also necessitates data privacy and security measures. On the other hand, project-based learning can be implemented with more basic technology like computers, tablets, and internet access, along with project management and collaboration tools. It doesn't necessarily require sophisticated AI technology. Overall, AI integrated learning demands more specialized technology compared to the broader requirements of project-based learning.
Okay, and I just want to know the challenges. Which model is more scalable in low resource educational setting and why?
Project-based learning is generally more scalable in low-resource educational settings. It relies more on collaborative, hands-on learning experiences, which can be adapted to various environments without heavy reliance on technology. In contrast, AI integrated learning often requires more technological infrastructure and resources, which can be challenging to scale in low resource settings due to the need for specialized software, hardware, and internet access.
Okay, what are the common challenges the educators face when implementing project based learning, and how do these differ from the challenges in AI integrated learning?
In project-based learning, educators often face challenges like time management, assessing student work, and ensuring all students are engaged and meeting learning objectives. They may also struggle with limited resources for hands-on activities. In AI integrated learning, challenges include ensuring equitable access to technology, addressing data privacy concerns, and training teachers to effectively use AI tools. While both approaches present challenges, they differ in focus. PBL difficulties are more about managing the learning process, while AI integrated learning challenges are often related to technology and resource access.
Okay. And can PBL and AI integrated learning be combined effectively?
Yes, project-based learning and AI integrated learning can be effectively combined. AI can enhance PBL by personalizing learning paths, providing real-time feedback, and offering additional resources to support student projects. This combination allows for a more tailored and engaging learning experience, leveraging the strengths of both approaches.
Okay. How does each model prepare the learners for future careers in an AI-driven economy world?
Project-based learning nurtures skills like problem solving, critical thinking, and collaboration, which are essential in an AI-driven economy. AI integrated learning focuses on digital literacy, adaptability, and using AI tools, preparing learners for tech-centric roles. Both approaches are crucial, with PBL fostering soft skills and AI integration developing technical competencies.
Okay. Which approach you think is the better that fosters lifelong learning habits and why?
Project-based learning is better at fostering lifelong learning habits because it encourages students to take ownership of their learning, engage in self-directed inquiry, and develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. These skills and attitudes make learners more adaptable and motivated to continue learning throughout life.
Okay, and then what is the difference between experience learning and project based learning?
Hands-on experiential learning focuses on learning through direct experience, such as experiments, simulations, or real-world activities. It's typically short-term and can be a component of various teaching methods. Project-based learning, on the other hand, is a structured teaching method where students learn by actively engaging in projects over an extended period, integrating hands-on experiences with research, collaboration, and presentations. It's more comprehensive and aims to solve complex problems or answer open-ended questions.
Okay, thank you so very much, Perplexity, for sharing this very insightful session. And you shared really amazing information regarding the project based learning and AI driven learning. That's really amazing. So, thank you so very much, audience, who are watching me live on my LinkedIn and YouTube account. I'll be back with another